Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Esther, as you all know by now, and this is Esther Bracelet TV. And guys, thank you so much for always staying tuned, liking my videos, subscribing, and most of all, staying here and supporting me. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. It's because of you guys, that's why I'm doing these videos, yeah? And because of your support and love, and your mnanionyesha, I will make sure I will always drop a video for you guys. So this one is a banger. I'm starting here with this up because sitting room, but we are going to the kitchen. Just comment down below what you want us to do next, and I will make sure I do for you. Before we go to the kitchen, guys, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and comment to this video. I know you know yenye nataka kufanya because by the title of the video, by now you know what I want to do for you guys. It's because mlipenda the previous video that I did for how to use a microwave. That's why I'm doing this video on how to use a blender, because I know most of you maybe hawajui kutumia the blenders, the electric blender, and that's why I want to do this video for you guys. Before tuende kwa kitchen, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and comment, and you like this video. Let's tuende kitchen sasa nionyeshe. So guys, tumekuja kwa kitchen. We are in the kitchen right now. Na kama uja watch video yangu ya my kitchen tour, make sure you go and watch that video. But kuna vitu sikuwa nimeweka and sikuwa nimeweka before nifanye hii video. Before nifanye hiyo video. So, I think I will have to repeat the kitchen. Sitafanya the kitchen peke yake. Nitafanya my whole house tour. My 2-bedroom house tour. Yes, I will do this video. Na kama uja watch hiyo yenye nimepost hapo my living room tour, make sure you go and watch. So, we are in the kitchen guys. Nawaambia tunakuja kufanya about the blender. So, here is our blender. It's a 2-in-1 blender. 2-in-1. 2-in-1 blender. So, this one I'll 2 and this one I'll 1. So, it's 2-in-1 blender. So blender huwa inakuja na haka kakitu. This one. Kakufanya hivi. Kakufanya hapa hivi. Okay, blend. Kakukoroga matunda zenye ziko hapa chini. Hapa hivi kwa hii blender. Yeah, to stir the fruits that are in this blender. You know, some people wananiambia, Esther, just use English when you're doing your videos. But I'm trying my best, right, guys? So, it's a 2-in-1 blender. Here is our blender. Yeah. Our blender comes with these two. These ones, the two of this. He ni to grind, and this one is for blending this juice. This one is for grinding, this one is for juice. So, when you want to grind your njugu, ama anything else, you just put it in here. Then, this one, hivi, iko na utu vitu to blender tuwili. But for blending, iko na kama four of them. It has 4 of them. But for grinding, it has only 2 of these. So you have to kufunika. You close like that. Then hapa hivi chini ndo kuna hii kitu. Hii yenye wewe inayo hapa hivi ndani. This one is the main one. This one is the main. This one ndo main. Bila hii you can blend anything. So you have this one. Hii inakuja na hii. You see? Hii inaikuwa kwa socket. You just place it in the socket. And you have this in the process. Process start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hope you can see that. And 4. And you have this one. Hii kitu inakaa kama ya kuongeza volume. Inaitwa nini? Inaitwa hivyo. Hivyo sasa. It's called hivyo yenye umejua hapo hivyo. So, when you have to start, kuna haka kitu, haka alo, ya kukuonyesha where to put your nini. Ukitaka uanze hivi kwa 1 ita blend tu pole pole. 2 is just is fast is like ni kama hivyo tu. Ukienda ukiongezea, when you go increasing your volume, is the way your fruits are blending well. So for me, I just put here at 3 or 4. I don't put here at 2. Nikiweka hapa kwa 2, maybe nikimalizia. But I have to put here for the fruit to blend well. So it has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you want to grind your thing, you have to put Unaeka hapo ndani, you fix well, then you plug this one to the wall, then you switch on, nitaonyesha physically. You switch on, then unaeka hii, unaeka hapa hivi. Inaanza the process inaanza. So that one for grinding, that we put aside. So you come to blending your fruits. Unaeka hapa anything that you want to blend, if it's mango juice, if it's banana juice, if it's melon juice, anything you want to blend here. And I will show, nitafanya video blending juice. Okay? Showing physically, kuonyesha tu physically. So it has this spoon. Sasa umeweka matunda zako na zenye ziko chini hazijablendika vizuri. The one that is on the bottom hazijablendika vizuri. You have to start like this. Ndo zina blend vizuri. Ndo zinarudi chini zinablendika vizuri. So inakutanga na hii funiko. You have to, ukishaeka your things to blend here hapa ndani, kuna vitu as you can see hapa ndani, kuna vitu tuko hapo, vitu wa chuma, ndio huwa zinatumia, ndio huwa zina blend, ndio huwa zinakatakata, zina blend your juice, your mango or whatever you put inside. So unafunika like that, then unaiweka hapo, then unailol hivyo tu kidogo to make sure that hiwezi toka when you are blending. That's why wewe inaweka vitu hapa tutakushika hii blender hivyo, unaweka hivyo, then you start your process. So I want to show you here. So as I was saying before my camera got off, nilikuwa nasema unaiweka kwa ukuta, you plug it on the wall, then you start your process. Unasikia? Sitaki kunini sana juu ya kelele. You just do like that, you make your juice, then you unakunywa. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Kama umeenjoy, just make sure you like this video. You subscribe for more video that is coming, guys. This year is our year. It's our year for breastfeeding. I know tutafika mahali tunataka. So guys, bye. And this video, make sure you subscribe, you may like, you share, and you comment. Make sure umeambia mtu mwingine. So guys, see you in my next video. Subscribe.